AKA Joe. Officially, I'm number 7 in the bunch.
Okay.
I'm the end of the big bunch.
Nah.
Okay. I'm the end of the big bunch. That's the way it was. I was the end of the big bunch.
They wasn't bunches.
But we have a lot of stories to tell, and they told me don't tell too much. But when I found out that we had to stand up and talk, I looked at Lois. And I said, you know, most of us have a story to tell about what Daddy did. We didn't get too many whoopings from her, but when she got you, she got you.
Yep.
I never forget. Lois had on a pair of my shorts. We were right like that. And Lois had on a pair of my shorts, and I kept telling her this, make Lois get out of my shorts. And Lois was bigger than me, and I couldn't beat her up. You know, I couldn't fight. I said, make her get out of my shorts. And I guess Medill got tired of me complaining and whining. Next thing I know, she had a belt, and she had tore the shorts I had on off.